After winter, many golf cart owners notice reduced range, slower acceleration, or even lack of power. Don't worry. In most cases, it's not battery aging. Low temperatures affect battery capacity and discharge efficiency. Today, I'll show you 3 simple steps to check your battery health and get your cart ready for the busy spring season. Step 1. Check the terminals. Winter humidity and temperature fluctuations can cause terminal oxidation, especially for carts stored outdoors. Check for white powder, green corrosion, or dark discoloration on the terminals. These deposits increase contact resistance. When your cart draws high current during startup, it can cause heat, unstable voltage, and reduced range. The fix is simple. Wipe with a dry cloth or use a terminal cleaner. After cleaning, make sure to tighten the screws securely. Step 2. Measure the resting voltage. Long-term storage in low temperatures may leave the battery at a low state of charge. The BMS low temperature protection may also be activated, causing the battery to enter sleep mode. The simplest way to check battery health is to disconnect all connections first. Make sure the battery is not charging or discharging. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes, then measure the voltage. Additionally, before the first use in spring, place the battery in an environment above 0 Celsius to allow it to warm up. Then fully charge it using the compatible LiFePo charger. This process can effectively extend the battery's cycle life. Step 3. Inspect the casing. Golf carts are often stored outdoors or in semi-open areas. Winter temperature changes may cause cracks, swelling, water ingress marks, or loose screws. If your battery was stored in extremely low temperatures, make sure there's no casing deformation. Abnormal casing may indicate internal moisture or structural stress. This not only affects performance, but also poses safety risks. Inspect carefully. Clean terminals, normal voltage, intact casing. After completing these 3 steps, your battery is generally in good health. Spring is a high user season for golf carts, and a full inspection before the season starts ensures reliable performance. One final tip. During winter storage, keep the battery in a dry, sheltered environment above 0 Celsius. Disconnect it from any load and charge it to 50 to 60%. After that, recharge it to around 50% every 3 months to prevent issues caused by prolonged low charge levels. If you're a golf cart owner, follow this video and check your battery today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Safe spring driving starts with a battery check.